world is advancing faster than ever before. It's setting the standard of quality from generation to generation. Over the years, Rigid is changing the way experts do their job, seeking to enhance, improving lives. At the heart of Rigid are its customers. Its products are purpose-built, designed and crafted for strength and effectiveness to be a step ahead of its customers' demands. Performance, efficiency, and long service life. These are the values that built Rigid's reputation, equipping its customers with flexibility, convenience, and confidence in pursuing their challenges. With all the harsh environment on the job site every day, Rigid provides the same quality, certainty, and efficiency in every tool you expect from Rigid. Being the trusted brand of companies in plumbing, construction, HVAC, utility, facility maintenance, electrical, mining, and other industrial markets. Only Rigid carries the most advanced, extensive, and complete range of tools and equipment, allowing companies to go through their operations with flexibility, convenience, and confidence. From diagnostic and locating equipment, handheld inspection cameras, drain cleaning equipment, pressing and electrical tools, pipe and tubing tools for joining, cutting, drilling, bending and forming, down to general-purpose hand tools and wet-dry vacuums. Rigid's mission is to build for the world's expert tradespeople and its vision to build better communities. There's always an opportunity to innovate and to make things better. Some invent to change the world. At Rigid, we invent for those who build it. Rigid, built for those who know.